Ega maka ndendere dindin afunwero tanne ndendere dindin ko babara nebu ndendere dindin ko babara nebu ndendere dindin ayiri ndendere dindin afunwero tanne ndendere dindin ndendere dindin ega wanne ndendere dindin ane marama
Where are even these people going to?
I hope they're not coming to see us.
My fellow ladies, ladies of our lands, beautiful ladies, Uma. Actually, my friend and I came here to play along with you guys, because we know for sure you guys will wander the street, so we just want to play.
Sorry, we are men, and we love playing with maidens.
You want to play with us? People should come and play. Yeah, come and join us. Come and play. Come and play.
It's okay. Do you want to kill them? You don't notice that I have not eaten since morning. Look at how great they are looking. You want to kill someone?
You don't even care.
As I was saying, Gomma, you ought to take a giant goat to the shrine and give thanks to the gods, because Prince Omeka Naya finally chose you. My dear, it's not easy.
She's always lucky. Do you know that the other day we went to search for fruit, and Ugoma here was the only one that picked a snail? Imagine.
When the gods say yes, no one can come in your way. Well, I envy you. Are you girls done?
Ugoma, we are not yet through. We are tired of hearing your name all over the places. In the palace, Ugoma, to go and fetch water, Ugoma, everywhere, Ugoma. We are tired of hearing your name. Are we not maidens as well? Here. Oh.
Well, my grandmother used to tell me that patience is virtue. And I also commit my future in the hands of Obuniwe, the gods of our land. He's the only one who has answers to all your questions.
Shut up your mouth. My fellow maidens, are you all going to be here and discussing about Ugoma? Me, I'm out of here.
Go, leave. What's the meaning of this nonsense? Ugoma this, Ugoma that. Ugoma, you know you are my cousin, and I wouldn't want anything to happen to you. Please be careful with these people, because I don't trust them anymore. You know, very soon, Lolo will go. Though I don't wish her bad anyway, but the queen will live in the palace, and you will take over to be a thing of joy in our family. My dear, let's go home.
I told you I cannot do this. Mama is my very good friend, and I don't want to hurt her feelings because of you or anyone else. No, I can't do it, Olisa.
Adako. Adako, I've told you time and again that I love you. You're the one I need.
Sorry.
You need to understand that my relationship with Imma is just a mere assurance between her parents and mine. Adako, all I want to be complete in this world is you. Please. If you look into my eyes, you will see the love burning alive. I love you. Adako, open your heart for me, please.
Ego, where did Ada go?
If now you asking me, are we not all here together when she left? And you asking me?
It's all right. You put on no Adaku now. Maybe she's having another round of funny stomach.
As she's defecating, let her not defecate her intestine.
You don't know her now.
That serves her right. Adako is so gluttonous that she eats anything that she sees without hesitation. Ode buri oge.
Orogu. Agataka. Nyanya. Natawa. Greetings, Mbeke.
Familiar faces, but I cannot place it.
Oh, sorry, Ne. We are the palace guards of Ndiuno village.
I hope, my son, please pardon me, you are all welcome. I hope my Igwe, my in-law, my grandchildren and the Lolo, they're okay.
Of course.
Actually, Nne, the king sent us to come and fetch Prince Onochie for the forthcoming coronation.
So sudden. So sudden?
Yes. As I speak to you, the people of Ndiuno have gathered at village square, waiting for his arrival.
That's okay. Give me some moments. I will be right back.
It's okay. We are waiting.
Oh God. Oh. Huh?
I don't trust you, Alyssa. You only want to take advantage of me and dump me, like you want to do to my friend Mma.
All I want to do is loving you.
Adaku, there is no breath without you. There is no life to live without you. Please, I love you. Please.
I'm sure of what you are saying, then you have to convince me. Prove to me that you really love me.
You want a proof?
Yes, Olisa, I want a proof.
Okay. It is okay. This is the earth that my ancestors treaded when they were alive. I swear by this earth to love Adako and Adako alone. Any day I stop loving Adako or think about another woman, may the gods of the land and all the ancestors strike me dead. He say. This guy is troubled.
It's okay, Olisa. I believe you now. I believe you now. It's okay.
How am I supposed to tell the king of this? A boy that has been under my care from cradle is now. Hey! Oh gods of Ndiago, my mouth is heavy, very heavy.
Where is Olisa? Why is he not here yet?
Ugbo, you of all people should know that Olisa likes coming late to all our meetings. Exactly. That one, let's forget about it. Let's just continue.
I want to know, what do you people think about the awaited return of our prince?
I think it's a good idea. Do you know that I almost forgot that Igwe has a son called Onochi?
Onochi, right? He has overstayed in Ndiago village. And I think the king is unable to cater for him.
Nta, do not say that. Onochi is comfortable wherever he is. If you don't know, a man maternal home is as good as his father's home, if not better. Just listen to yourself.
A man's maternal home can only be good, but better. Otanu, why do you always like disputing things?
Tell him, oh.
Listen, let me tell you. No matter how good you are, or no matter how long you stay in your maternal home and show them love, you can never be made king in their kingdom.
From all indications, I know it will be okay.
Yeah. And I strongly believe that the gods will grant them journey mercy.
You see?
Yes, I agree with you. Because the child that knows the father's compound, even blindfolded, we still trace it.
Correct.
Absolutely.
You are too funny.
The most important thing here now is not that the prince is coming back. But I believe that the most important thing is that they are going to crown him successor of our king. Is it not a good thing? It's a good thing.
Well, one thing I know for sure is that if the prince finally becomes my friend, the first thing I will do is to order for the head of Igbo.
Yeah? I know you hate me. Just look at you. Someone that has no hand is talking of slapping someone. May the gods never allow you find favor in the eyes of the prince. Nonsense.
Look at...
Come, Olisa. Where have you been? You're asking a he-goat where he has been. Where else will Olisa be? Apart from where the ladies play their daylight games.
Olisa, father of all women.
There's one thing I want to tell you, Olisa.
if women do not kill you in this village, you will live forever. Women cannot kill him. Instead, he will be on to kill them.
Mother, come and give me a hug. Listen, hey, what are you waiting for? Come and give me a hug, your big brother. Nam. What is happening here? This is your big son. I am back now. Hmm? Hey.
Wait, Ugbo. Why is it that among all the heads in this community, it's Igbo's head you choose to have on your own? I wonder.
That is because his head looks exactly like my late grandfather's snuff box. It's unfortunate that it got missing some years ago. But I think your head will replace his memory too.
Ugbo, you seem not to understand what you're saying. Well, I don't blame you because I know it is your own head, your unborn children's head, that will be cut off in the place of your great grandfather snuff box. Nonsense. you are not vibrating.
welcome.
You're welcome.
Hi.
Olisa, please can I see you for a moment? I won't take your time.
Olisa, go now.
Olisa, follow here, follow her.
Go.
I'll join you. Olisa, go now. Answer this girl.
I'll be back now.
You are waiting, eh?
Oli.
Nah, that woman is
follow her.
So, what is it?
Olisa, I was actually headed to your house. Thank the gods I met you here. Please, Olisa, can we go to your place? There's something I want to discuss with you.
I can't go. I can't go. I can't go. Can't you see I'm busy with my friends? If there's anything you want to say, please say it here. I'm listening.
Olisa, are your friends more important than I am? I won't take your time.
Ma, there you go again. I told you time and again that your problem is lack of understanding. What is there for you not to understand? That I'm busy with my friends. They're asking me to follow you home. And do what? Please go. I will see you later. Just leave. Go.
No, Lisa, it's not good though.
Hey, Olisa. Hey, Olisa. Why is your face like this?
Olisa, you went out happily, and what's wrong with your face?
There are certain things you won't understand.
Tell us. We are your friends. What is it? Tell us.
When you grow, I will make you understand.
Guards, hold him. Hold him. Igwe, what is the meaning of this? Hey! My mother-in-law.
Too bad.
What is going on here? What is the meaning of what I am seeing here? Am I here to be entertained or receive my son that is healthy?
My in-law, water overflowed toad. Remember that Onoche was only about 2 seasons old when people left him under my care. As he grows, I discovered this abnormality in him. As his grandmother, I decided to take all the cases on me. I took him to so many places. They kept giving me hope. 2 of us suffered. Till today.
Give him water. Let somebody get water for him. What do you mean by water? Talk like an elder. I have spoken my... You are seeing the heart of imbecility. You are talking about water. It might cool him. Cool what? But give me a hug. Come on, give your big son a hug.
It's okay, drop it. Hey. Eh? It's okay, you have tried. Hey. Ma, I want to ask you something. When am I expecting some palm wine from Olisa and his family?
Ma'am. How am I supposed to know? Am I the one to remind them when they should come and bring palm wine for us?
Wait. Sometimes, do you know that winds can blow some people's minds away? Emata.
Ma'am, you are too funny. Hey.
Masinachi, the only solid ground we have is that both of you are betrothed.
Nay, stop reminding me that the day has broken. I can see through the shining sun.
That is my wise daughter.
Memo.
I trust you.
Huh?
Okay. Adoma. Wasa kibia.
Mbeke.
If
not that blood does not lie, I would have said you brought the wrong person as my son.
Igwe, first of all, let me apologize for not letting you know. The bitterness over in the palace is the reason why I kept it from you and my daughter.
In my lineage, from time immemorial, we have never had anyone like that. Imbecility, never.
It is unfortunate in Igwe. The ways of the gods are not our own ways. They are immortals, Your Majesty.
Tell us. I'm suspecting Uguma's mother. Suspecting Uguma's mother. How? Can't you see how Uguma effortlessly attracted Prince Umekania's attention?
You've not answered our question.
Uguma's mother is a witch.
What?
She used her witchcraft to influence Prince Umekania to marry her daughter.
Yes. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Do you know the weight of what you just said?
I'm okay.
Don't you know that witchcraft is forbidden in our land? And when the king gets to know about it, you and your family are into trouble.
Eringa, you better shut your mouth and say what you are sure of. The earlier you start appreciating the good things that are coming to people, the better your own start coming to you. And stop being unnecessarily jealous. Please, let's just go out from here.
Manne, thank the gods that among the maidens here, you are the only one that sounds reasonable. Eringa, when next you talk about Ugoma or her mother in this manner, both of us will meet our ancestors.
You and who?
You and I!
You!
Yes.
You will not do anything.
I'll do more than you
will
started.
not do anything.
It's okay. Let's just go. Let's just go. Hurry up, boss. Accompany me to my own house.
Okay, let's go. Please.
Why don't we go in?
Which in?
I'm asking you, go in where? Olisa, you told me you were coming to see me once you are through with your friends. I waited and you didn't shop. Why?
Olisa, what is wrong with you? Too many things on my mind. I forget too many things these days. Please, Mama Sinachi, I am sorry, I forgot.
What is this again? Gods of Ndiono. That you forgot?
You were to see your betrothed woman.
I can't believe this, Olisa. Tell me what is going on. I don't understand what is going on, Olisa.
What is happening?
Oh, hi. Bring your voice down. Ma, you're shouting. What I was to say was that okay, you know what? Take it easy and calm down and understand me. In fact, I will come and see you in the evening time.
Olisa. Olisa, let me tell you. You think I am going to continue to listen to all these your cock and bull stories? Empty promises each time. This is going to be the first and last. I will listen to all these your empty promises. Ozugo. Olisa, if you like, come and see me. If you like, stay in your house. I don't care. If rock all day.
Do you mean that you're going?
Olisa.
My daughter. Yes, mother. I have to go now and take care of my goods and my crops.
Okay, mother. May the gods of our land grant you journey mercy.
You say, my daughter.
Please get me two guys to walk my mother home.
Stay well, my daughter.
Yes, my mother.
I can't wait to. I will dance, I will dance. All my body will be dance.
Yeah. I will shake.
I can't wait for the day the prince will choose his wife. Because I know that the God has destined the both of us together. Why are you laughing now? Wait, Njideka, are you having malaria or something else? Please answer. I wonder how the prince will leave someone as beautiful and young as I am and go to this shapeless millipede.
Yes. Me.
Obanta, this one you're facing up and down.
What is even your problem? We are your friends. Talk to us.
Obanta, talk to us.
My friends, I'm worried. Why is it difficult? What have I not done to make Ugoma happy? Why is it difficult for her to understand that it's not easy to be a man? Why?
Obanta, have you seen it? It was your fault. You would have allowed me to go and meet Ugoma first. But you disagreed with me. She refused to accept you. But don't sit at Ingma. What is even your problem? It's his fault. Obanta here has just complained to us as friends. I think what we need to do is to find a way and help him out.
Wait, you want again? Help who out? Oh, what a number. What are you even trying to say? Obanta here is not a child. He's not sick either. There is nothing any of us can do to help him out. He's only confused. Obanta. Let me tell you the truth. Ugoma does not love you, and never will she. Is it not better for you to find another maiden in this our community? We have a lot of maidens and well trained. Is it not better for you to pick one and marry? Wanta, please. Let's forget about Ugoma. Please, let's forget about her. Wanta, we are your friends. You are leaving us. Wanta.
Your Majesty, if I say that I don't understand what you are passing through as a result of your son's ill health, then I lie. And the truth is not in me. But I want you to know that no matter how dark a night may be, it must surely give way to a brighter morning.
What morning are you talking about, Ichiodo? Eh? You're talking about morning when my son, the heir apparent to the throne of Ndiuno, is an imbecile. You're here, seated, talking about morning, Ichiodo. Tell me.
Igwe, no matter how bad it may sound, there must be a solution to it. No matter what the eyes may see, it can never shed blood. There must be a solution.
Ichiodo, you are the Onowu of this kingdom. Exactly. And you have been my best friend from childhood. Now I want you to be honest. Tell me, since time immemorial, have you ever heard that any member of my family has suffered that fate? Oh no, tell me.
Your Majesty, I have said that not the sound of the coconut that tells you the taste. The two are two different things. Nobody from your family has suffered that fate. But then, I want to assure you that we have sent for Wogo, and I'm sure he's capable of handling it.
What? Did you hear what she said? Ego! Apologize to her for calling her shapeless millipede. Ego Marama, the beauty of the sun, the only maiden who is brighter than that of the noonday. Apologize to her. Never. No problem. No need. I don't need it. I'm a shapeless millipede. I agree. But I look like your mother. You called my mother a shapeless millipede? No. Don't misunderstand me. Don't misunderstand me. I'm a shapeless. I agree completely. But I look like your mother.
Ichiodo, my problem with you is that you are not getting it. You don't even know where I am going. My son, the heir to the throne of this kingdom, should he not get a wife and get coronated in the next 7 days? Oh no, I will lose this throne.
I want you to understand one thing. That is, no matter the situation, the tradition of this land and I are like salt and oil. your son. We must find solution to that situation. I am your friend. Whatever happens to you, it equally affects me.
Oh no. What do I tell my ancestors? How do I explain this unspeakable thing to my forefathers? Oh no, tell me.
In a lighter mood, your ancestors are not going to stop you when you are going to their kingdom. Your ancestors, they are seeing what you are passing through on this planet Earth. But they don't want to step into it. But I want to give you one assurance. That they can never ask you such a question. You will pass through all of them and you will come unscathed. We have contacted Ogwogo. He is capable of handling this and he will handle it successfully. You have nothing to fear about. You don't have to worry about anything. Thank you.
You called my mother. You said it again. Yes.
What's going on?
If I finish you,
So, all this heavy war is all about the prince.
Hi. My brother, when a woman becomes desperate, she can destroy this whole world just for nothing. I mean, for nothing.
But Ugbo, I truly enjoy supporting the fight of this beautiful maiden. So, hey, I wish they could come back and continue that fight. Because every part of their body is so soft. I mean, so soft. Hey,
that's all you know. Come on, let's go.
You're doing as if you did not enjoy it, sir.
Gaula Muse, Ozale Shatan. Gaula Muse, Abam Lube. Gaula Muse, Ozale Shatan. Gaula Muse, Gaula Muse, Ozale Shatan. Gaula Muse, Your Majesty, I greet you. Icheodo, Onu, Oyabalo.
I have heard so much about you. So many good things about you. So I decided to ask Icheodo here to fetch you.
Your Majesty, what that seems undoable to other native doctors, Agame Fado Manaju, Agidibango Kabili Munyan na yo modime, anu kankan, Jezi Arielu, Amamukadi Otoman Kadilu. I will do it. Your Majesty, from today you will be my advocate. Of my exploit, I speak to the spirits, they respond. I speak to humans, and they respond. Your Majesty, in your very eyes today, your son will behold.
I am hungry. My son, that was why I woke up very early to prepare this breakfast. Don't worry, soon be ready, okay?
Don't mind him.
It's okay.
Nne, what have you been doing since morning that you are here still peeling the leaves?
Am I joking?
Anyway, I am ready now to take my leave.
Utobo. I told you something about my dream last night and you have not said anything about it.
See, it is not I didn't hear the dreams. But any dream that will not put food into this house is less of my business.
What is important to me as a man is to go to the farm and hustle like a young man I am. So don't worry about that dream.
I told you that I dreamt where I was wearing a queen's crown. And you think it's not a good reason to discuss. And you think the only thing that you can do to this family is to bring food.
A queen's crown?
Yes.
Anyway, there's no problem. Just take care of the children. Prepare the food for them. By the time I come back in the evening, we will sit down and talk. Huh?
No problem. Now come back. We'll talk about it.
Come to your man. God. Get him seated. Huh? Oh man. Oh man. On quoi? Hey, wait. Eka. Ore. N'afọ ọkwa nwata akpakọ ka nke ibe ya sị n'ọgbalị ya na-ajọ ọfịa ọgala ibu gị bụ onwe ya igwe gbanye ya kpalụ ọgịnịdị. Hey! The spirit of imbecility. Today, in the power conferred in me as Agabeth, one, the man that speaks to the wind, I command the spirit of imbecility out. I said, out! I said, out! Out! I said, what's wrong again? I have told you to pick any maiden of your choice so that we'll go and marry her for you. You can now live as husband and wife. But if you refuse and continue this your dangerous adventure, and you happen to pregnant any maiden, I will assure you I'll bring her in here, whether you will like her or not. Did you hear me?
Nam, I'm not ready for marriage. I want to be the greatest farmer that has existed in Indionu. I'm not ready for marriage.
So meanwhile, you just continue to act like a he-goat in the community. Huh? And this is dream of being the greatest farmer. It's for people that are industrious. Not for people like you who just go about, lazing about, doing nothing. Busy doing nothing.
Nam, don't say that too. Don't say that.
I have told you.
Everybody knows that I'm industrious. Stop calling me a lazy boy.
I made my point clear. Yeah, my daughter. Come, my daughter, come. Hey, Adam. My daughter, come. Who did this to you?
Nan, is it not in Njideka? She certified me the moment she learned that the prince will become my husband.
That the prince will be your husband? Let me ask you, my daughter. Which of the princes are you talking about? Are you talking about the normal prince or the imbecile prince?
Prince Onochie now.
Hey! Hey! I'm finished.
No.
You are there.
What is it? Ego, why is Nam shouting? What is it?
Agu
Nam, you have not said. What is it? What
is it?
Abim.
Why?
Do you know all those why I was saying no to you? I actually meant yes. I was only pretending.
You mean it? Wait. So, you had your mind. Oh, gods of my land. So, you mean to tell me that you had your mind on me and you were pretending all along? You just hid it inside of yourself. Hi! You man, I'm pretensious.
Yes, of course. I didn't want to look so cheap to you. That was why.
In that case, I will have to go to the palace. I am going to meet the Council of Elders and I will tell them to take a decision on your head. This is your head.
Nanya, it's okay now. Where are you taking me to? Hi, wait now. Wait, let's go there. I want to make you see. Let's go. How can you give sight to someone who has no problem with her vision? Please, let's go back.
Ma.
There are many things one cannot see, even when the eyes are widely open. Come, let's go. I will make you see. Just come. Come on, Anya.
My love, you know what? Just mention anything of your choice.
Anything?
Yes, be it humanly possible or not. You will have me do it.
Olisa, my love, you mean anything? Olisa, anything?
Whatever, just mention it. I will do it for you.
I want you to marry me. Marry me, Olisa. Marry me.
What? Hey! Young maiden. You have tried your best. But let me tell you, Olisa is not your type. Biakenaba. Olisa, please wait.
Chimomo, remove your hands off my man. What's actually wrong with you? Are you okay? Very plantain, are you okay? My love, please. Ask this girl, this maiden, to leave this place right now.
Olisa! Will you tell this thing to get out of this place?
I will.
Hey!
Calm down. As the man in the center of it all.
Stop preaching, Olisa, please.
Okay, I want to take a decision. Mama, you're also beautiful. There's no doubt, you're well trained.
You look here.
But because you are gentle, you are kind, you have to go now.
Yes, go now, go!
Olisa, please forgive me. Have I done anything to deserve this?
Go now.
Please forgive me,
go.
please. I beg you.
Go.
Please. Olisa.
You just have to go.
Bye-bye. My love. Henceforth, we are now one. I love you. I love you.
Hey, come here.
My prince.
Come here. Mate.
That's my prince.
Better come on. Beautify me. Beautify me. Can't you see that beat? Fuck yourself. Put it on the left hand also, sir.
I'm sorry, my prince.
Yeah, sorry. Sorry. What you know is to eat and pass a excreta. Just growing fatter and fatter every day. Put it on the right hand.
Kanchobe fonanya adetua kanchobe fonanya mo.
I'm ready to take the throne. Yes.
Ifunanya Onyega bobimo Eziagwa bumawanya Onyega bunkemo.
Ekperi maganje Ekperi maganje Ekperi maganje Ekperi maganje
Ichiodo.
Otaba.
I decided not to come because Igwe underestimated my competence.
Oh, not so. Don't be angry.
Little wonder a physician does not have regards within his own community.
Otaba, you see, Igwe is confused. He's under pressure. You see, because of the situation his son has fallen into. He's been tossed about like wave. And that same wave has tossed the son into that very calamity. So that is the reason. No, he never underestimated any person.
With this circumstance, I shall prove myself. Ichiodo, I will return the imbecility of the prince to the land of the dead.
I trust you. Go on.
Be it a natural imbecility or not.
Huh.
I will cure the prince so that I will begin to command recognition not only from Igwe Okosisine Chendo, but also from the entire people within and outside Obodono community.
You see, you are exactly what I said. Eh? You are what I have said. Because you are the head on which king crowns are made on. Because of this now, the Igwe has put his confidence upon you. So fear not. Go ahead and do it.
My father is making plans to meet my uncle so that we can pick a date for the final marriage rites between your daughter Mma and my brother Risa.
I'm not getting married. I know it. I know it to happen.
Yes.
Eh?
I always knows that, regardless of being betrothed, that they are meant for each other.
The gods of our land.
Yes.
I know it will happen.
Mama, my daughter, what happened? Who beat you?
I saw Lisa with Adako in an unusual position. When I tried finding out what was going on, he told me he loves Adako, not me.
No.
Can't be true. I trust Olisa now. You know Olisa jokes a lot. Yes. Eh? It's one of his jokes.
It's true.
Eh? Oh yeah, you know now.
I know, it's my brother.
It's okay, it's okay.
It was not joke at all. He was not joking at all. He told me to my face that he doesn't love me anymore. That he loves Adaku, not me.
Because of Fundolo. Did come down here?
Mama, did you actually see Ulisa, my brother, with another maiden, or has he been drinking? Because I know my brother cannot do such a thing.
Didn't you hear what she said?
No. Ulisa cannot tell you this. I'm very, very sure. In fact, let me go and see.
It's okay.
It's okay,
Mama.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Let's go
inside so that you eat. It's okay.
Stop crying.
Olisa, what did you tell him, ma? Olisa, what did you tell him? Huh? Did you tell him you did not want her again?
Did she tell you anything?
Yes.
So what did she tell you?
Answer me. What did you tell him, ma?
So because of ma, you are vibrating all the way from the path to this place.
Answer me, Olisa. Answer me.
Okay, I'll tell you. Listen, sister. I don't love Uma anymore.
What? You don't want Uma anymore? Yes. So, Olisa, you want our relationship with Uma's family to just die like that?
I don't. You know you are my person. You ought to understand. There's another maiden that gladdens my heart, not Uma.
Don't tell me that. Olisa, if you know what you did, go and not do it, or you cease to be my brother.
You cannot be angry just because of Uma. I don't want Uma anymore. Listen, sister, if you're asking a man who has had enough to keep on eating, it is tantamount to murder. I've had enough. I don't want Uma anymore.
Olisa, we shall see.
Don't get angry because of Uma. Forget Uma.
We shall see, Olisa.
What is this Uma all about? You are the one to understand me, not...
Plantain, because I want to change it with some tubers of yam.
Not only some, I have plenty of them in my house because my husband have harvested enough. Yes, but one thing you will do is to make sure that you go to my house with tubers of yam. Then you make your choice.
That one is not a problem at all. I have big ones.
Don't worry. I have plenty of it. When you come, you make your choice.
Okay, no problem. But I have to go home now to talk to my daughter because I want the prince to choose her. Because I want to be the mother. You know now.
So, this is whom you are. What happened?
So, because you had me discussing with Azoka the other day about getting my daughter prepared for the prince, that is why you suddenly changed. Hey, stop it. If it's an insult, better stop it.
Insult? You called it insult. I'm not insulting you. I'm just telling you whom you are. You are a pretender.
Do you know the problem? I don't even have your problem. I don't have your time. I have very important things to do at home.
No, I have your time. I have your full time.
I don't have time. I have your time. Come and stay with me. Look at me.
Igwe Okosisi Nechendo. May your days be counted like the sands of the sea. Hey! I want to remind you that the reason a fowl goes to bed is not because it is satisfied, but because the day is dark.
I know that it doesn't augur well with you to know that I invited other native doctors from the neighboring community before you. But I stand here to apologize to you. And the fact remains that you are the only mouthpiece of you.
Hey! Why you get a leave breaker? Nabia to Nudavo, Nata, Nabia Hanukora, get a leave breaker. I am Otaba Oboradikaya Miri. The only snot that causes tears when sniffed, son of Wagai Bachiona, the descendant of Agawuda Gawabowo, the unbeatable spiritual grandmaster. Your Majesty, today you shall discover that where other people's powers fail, men stand victoriously. No one stands in the way of my healing. I have come for your son to be made whole. Why you get all leave breaker? Nabia to Nudabo, Nata, Nabia Hanukora, get all leave breaker. Why you get all leave breaker? Nabia to Nudabo, Nata, Nabia Hanukora, get all leave breaker. Why you get all leave breaker? Nabia to
That's why we are here. Ichio Korea understands this situation very well. What the young man has done is very bad. But I want to ask you, Ned, to find a place in your heart to forgive him.
Ne, please, let's not hand over my son to the gods to judge. His action is not only an embarrassment to himself, but to me and my family. Kindly find a place in your heart to forgive. I know he doesn't even understand the implication of what he did. Please.
This is the first time in my life that I ever hear this. But all I can say, let the gods judge.
Let's not leave it to the God to judge.
Come, let me come.
Ne, I beg you. I have some cowries here for you as a compensation for his action. Please. My son's action. Please. Accept it and have a place in your heart for you.
I don't need this. I don't need it. Please.
Eh? Ned. You're going to want here. So, she has rejected the cowries you have given to her.
Can you imagine?
Let us go.
I have come here to apologize.
Well, in that case, let us go. You have done everything you're supposed to do. You have asked her for forgiveness, and yet, let us go. Okay, let us go. Except you have, you want to. Do you have another interest?
No.
I am beginning to think that you have another interest. This one you're calling Nne. Come on, let us go. I've done my best. Let us go. Let us go. You have done what you
Sit him down. Sit him down. The spirit of imbecility. Out. The spirit of mental disability. Out. You, the spirit of stupidity. Out. You, the spirit of. Hey! Amadioha!
I love him. I love him with all my heart. What have I done to deserve this hatred? Tell me.
Ma, you done nothing wrong. You must not offend people before they hurt your feelings. It's a natural thing. It's okay. Bezinano, stop crying.
Ifunanya, have I not been showing him my love?
You have.
Ifunanya,
man,
am I not faithful?
Of course you are.
Don't I have a good behavior?
You are my best friend.
Then tell me,
it's okay.
What have I not done?
Then
why is Olisa treating me like this?
Ma.
Why?
Ma, but I told you. I warned you. When you love someone and that person doesn't love you back, it's not love. It's like pouring water on the stone and expect it to grow. Stones don't grow, ma. Stop crying. Olisa doesn't want your tears. Stop crying.
I will not survive this. I don't think I will be able to survive this.
You will. You will.
The villagers is going to laugh at me.
I'm here. Nobody will laugh at you. Compose yourself together. Olisa don't want your tears. Don't mind that useless boy. He doesn't want it. You want to make me cry? I'll start crying. No, I'll cry. I'll cry.
Don't.
Stop crying now. Stop crying. Why are you crying?
Bekee bagabia agaiba tuwowo n'oge gboo. 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 A woman that wants to be pregnant should meet her husband start naked. Olisa, what brought you to the presence of Eberima, the gods of Ndono?
Great Otabana Bayamini. I greet you once again. Greetings.
Whatever the tooth chews is audible to the ear. You are before Eberima, the gods of Ndono. Speak.
This is Adako, the maiden that I am betrothed to. By name Masinachi. I came to tell you that I want you to nullify the union between Masnachi and I, because I was betrothed to her when I was tender. I want Adaku here to take her place.
Mechegonu, do you want to tell me that your father who made the choice for you was a madman? Was your father a senseless man? Hey!
Great Otabana Bayemi. Please. I was betrothed to Masnachi when I was tender, when I was impressionable. But now, I'm a grown man. I see love in her. That is why I am seeing things differently. Please, I hope you understand me.
I love him too, brother. Please help us.
Have you taken your time to think about it? Or are you mistaking the sound of bitter cola in the mouth for its sweetness?
As a matter of fact, I love her. I do. And she...
I love him too. Please help us get to Taba.
We love each other.
This is a matter of love and courage. When a child engages himself in a separated fight, he quickly calls for war. Go behind them as a witness. I will help you.
I promise to come with a giant he-goat for Thanksgiving. Please help us.
Ma, daughter of Mbawede, the descendant of Onwudenjo, whatever bond initiated by your parents and the parent of Olisa, the son of Anupai, I break it. I break it now. 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 Now, I, Utabana Abayamiri, Abanagadana Abane here, I bind you, Olisa, and Ma, together to become a husband and wife. Henceforth, so shall it be forever.
You see, an elder that refuses to be thoughtful or even thoughtful calls for nothing but calamity. That's true. And even death. Yes, we all understand the situation here. We understand the prince's condition. But I must remind you that the king has only but 4 days. He has 4 days only to present the prince and his wife to be.
Chogazi. An elder that says that he doesn't know how to dig the ground is simply lying. He's simply telling lies. The king is going through it all. And you're here talking about it.
Don't misunderstand him, Ichie. Come rain, come sun. The coronation must take place.
It is the tradition. Even if the coronation must take place, we'll still make it 2 more times. Must you make it?
Remember, we have sense. We are thinking like men. We have sense.
Let's be patient. Let's be patient. Monsieur, I don't know which one you're talking. We're talking about the coronation. We're talking about what is at stake. The king is in a confused state.
Mama, you're not presuming that the woman. No matter the dirtiness of a pig, it must be slaughtered and eaten. Boria, won't you eat? You're right. If the king fails to bring his first prince and his wife to be in the next 4 days
for coronation, our tradition we follow. He must step down. That is what our tradition says.
Ichie, you know what our tradition is. Calamity. Death. That is what will descend on this land. How come I drop here?
That parable of the pig and the meat is for some of you that eat pork meat. Onye bie na amoko ada chuki. Let us for once talk about solution to the prince condition.
Wait. Cool down. Everybody, please cool down. My grandfather used to tell me that a parcel that has to be opened should not be pinched. Let's calm down. Something must happen. What your grandfather said is a lie. We must crown the prince. My grandfather cannot lie.
On that day, I will float my endowment. And I will walk up to him and say, William, okay, I love you. He will not waste time, he will respond. And he will say, will you marry me?
That method you are using
won't work at all. Look at how I'm going to do my own. When I do this, and I'll do it like this.
The whole body will just start shaking.
Hey, both of you, why stand for the prince? Kneel and greet him.
Who is the prince?
This is Prince Onotio Okosisi. Why must both of you stand and ignore his presence?
Now, sir, greetings.
Long live my prince. May the gods of our land bless you.
Greetings, my prince. May your days be long.
I wish you all the things you wish me. May the gods bless you all.
He say,
Yes, that is the prince. We can now shake it for him.
Hey! Which prince?
Oh yeah, is this one prince? No, he's the prince. Go and shake it for him like you said. Shake it for him.
Hey! So you knew I did not tell us.
This was the prince. And that is the prince.
Oh, I'm crying. Please ask me to stop crying. Cry first. Let me know if you come after me.
Please shake your body. You will do this.
Oh,
that is the prince.
a man that consciously works on hot coals must face severe injuries. I cannot afford to allow my daughter marry an person No. Not for anything. Not while I'm alive.
Nani. Nani, you are taking this matter too far. Eh? I don't know why you prefer lack to plenty. Look at this woman, Ojugo. She's making a serious arrangement on how to take her daughter to the palace. And Nani, please now.
You don't say it.
It's true.
Of course, no.
As a man of the house, can I talk?
Shut up. You can talk, but not as the man of the house.
I tell him.
If you dare such statement, I will strike this your nonsense mouth with my walking stick.
Sorry, Nam. But the truth is that I do not see anything wrong with the prince. He is not less a human. He's just partially unfit, and that does not stop him from seeing over the affairs of this kingdom.
Nani, as our son has said, please, all we need to do is just to teach our daughter on how to love the prince. Nani, what we are talking about here is the throne. I want to become the next mother of Lolo.
Shut up.
Please.
I cannot risk the destiny of my only daughter in the hands of an imbecilic prince.
Hey.
Just in the name of royalty. I would rather remain a commoner than become a grandparent of imbecilic grandchildren.
Nani, please.
No amount of persuasion will convince me. Ah, leave me. What do you know? Come and sit down.
Nani, we are talking about throne.
Ibauchi, this one you are coming to visit us always. It's like there is something you are not telling me.
I don't want you to worry yourself. One day my father will be here, my uncles, everybody will be here. Those secret things will make known to you.
Come and join me eat my food.
Thank you, I just finished eating before coming here.
Okay.
I'm here for something. Oh, please. Please, I want you to take me to your farm. Is there any work I can do for you to cultivate anything? Please take me to your farm. Let me do it.
Ibauchi, yesterday you fetched water for us. Today again, you want to cultivate in our land. Okay.
Nne, I will do anything possible to make Uma happy. I will do anything to please her.
Okay. It means him are supposed to go with you now.
I would like that.
I
would like that.
Mma Sinachi.
Mma, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Welcome.
You're really your name. Mma Sinachi, beauty that comes from the gods.
Ibe, let me get something for you.
Don't worry yourself, I just finished eating before coming.
Okay. But why have you come? What is going on?
I'm surprised.
Uma, I want to go and work for your mother. So the only thing I want you to do for me is follow me to the farm, sit down in a good place. Just watch me and see the man in me.
Yay! Why do you want me to follow you to the farm? Ibe, the other day you fetched for us. And today again, to the farm. Ibe, tell me, why are you doing all this for us?
I'm doing all these things because I love you. I want you to understand that I love you.
You love me? Yeah. Okay. I should now follow you to the farm.
It's just to sit down and watch me. You won't do anything.
Okay. I'm coming, eh?
Ibe, come, I don't trust this girl. At times, this my daughter behaves strange. Stay here.
better let me watch what is happening. Ma, why again? Why do you want to do this to me? Ma, do you want to keep person?
Why are you doing all these things? I don't like it though. So you asked him to run away? Where did he even run to? This ass could have done justice for both of us.
I didn't ask him to run away. But this is not the answer to the question. Do you want to kill somebody here? Can't you just open your mouth and say no for once?
Why will he even come here to say that he loves me? I don't like it, Onne. And you better warn him, Beo. So that is even why he's coming here.
It's okay. Give me, please. It's okay, oh.
Onne, this thing you did, I don't like it, though.
Greetings to this household. The Queen of Ndiono is here.
Greetings, my friend.
Rise, my baby.
My queen, if there's anything wrong that my family and I have done to you, please forgive us.
Calm down, Nema. I know you are shocked to see me in your hut. Traditionally, it should have been the other way around. But I come in peace.
You're welcome, my queen. Let me get
No, it's okay. I am fine, Noma. I like that your daughter demanded for permission to visit the palace. I came to tell her that she is free any day, anytime to visit the palace. If it pleases the cause of our land, I would love to have her as my successor.
Thank you, my queen. Oh, I'm sorry, my queen.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you, my queen.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my queen.
This is for you. You are the queen in line. Take care of yourself, my child.
Thank you.
I take my leave.
Ma, where is your father? He must see this. Where is your father? Let him come and see the demonstration of solidarity. Hey.
You did not do well at all. Do you know how your mother will feel? Yeah? After seeing how you treated Ibe and his foster father that way. It's not right. It's heartbreaking.
Ifunanya, you are saying this because you do not know what I passed through.
I know.
Did I tell you about my sleepless night?
My painful days, my painful day. It is okay. It's okay. It's alright. That you were jilted by that good-for-nothing idiot called Odisa does not give you right to treat anybody that comes your way that manner. It's not right. Wipe your tears and stop crying. It doesn't want it.
Do you know that I'm pounding this medicine just because of the way I am feeling inside of me?
I can see it.
I'm not feeling fine at all.
It's okay. Bring it, let me help you and pound. When will your mother be back from market? Are you still crying?
See, I am tired of the prince. I'm tired of the prince. Why is it that any little thing that he will tell somebody, just any little thing, he must spank the person's head?
That is why he's the prince. Royalty, do you have it?
See, that we don't have royal blood does not mean we are less human beings.
Remember, we took an oath in the shrine to serve in Igwe's palace. No need of us standing here to talk about him. It's against the oath.
Listen, for me, I like the prince. He's just so funny, especially when he wants to tell someone, you are both beautiful and handsome. See this one. You are both beautiful and handsome. Then go and marry the prince now. Go and marry the prince. I like the prince.
May the gods forbid.
May Ekperima take it back to you.
Why must Ekperima take it back to her?
The queen is
my prince. Down for.
Animal, I hope people heard me very well. You heard me very well. Did you hear what I said now?
Yes, Papa.
It's now very clear that you people are complete loss. In fact, complete disgrace to me. I'm not enjoying you as children. Instead, you are massive inconvenience to me. Every day people report of their missing items. I know that I have you as thieves. You people are common thieves that will soon grow into great armed robbers. You are one of them.
I'm not.
Shut up, your mouth, idiot. Nonsense. But that will be after I must have sold you out or giving you, put in one trouble or the other. Now, the thief, the fowl, that Mbeki fowl, that she was reporting, it was found in your hands. Chibike was the person that took that fowl and came, stand good it or that. Now, the days of going about busy doing nothing is over. I want people to hear me now. All of you should march to that Achara land. Near the river. Are you hearing me? That vast land, you're going to do the wedding today. Papa, shut up your mouth. Cut the grasses because tomorrow all of us are going to attack it with the horse. You have not eaten. Fool. Come and eat me. Take me now. Swallow me up. Nonsense. Oh, you should start going. Come on, go at once, idiot.
Are you sure it's us?
But she didn't see me.
I don't have time to come out because I know that all three of you are useless children. They are criminals. Common criminals. Now get out and go to Achara.
Well, but you're supposed to support us for once. We are not criminals. We are your sons.
Like this now, just tell us.
Papa, but you say we are useless and you are sending us.
Look, man, I bought the basic. Get out from here, useless process. Papa. All this process is what.
Papa, are you coming?
Look at these children. What kind of children are these? Eh? What am I even talking about? It's not my fault that I allow you people to be here. If I had known, I would have just separated you guys, give you out of different people to have you as their boys.
No, what is the matter?
I don't know. These children are on my neck.
What is
happening? You're asking me what is happening. It's so good that this village, Palambrate, is going about doing nothing. Tell me which day will end without me getting a report from 2 or 3 persons about the missing fowls. Eh? That is, by the way, let's talk about the current things. You said you were about telling me something.
No. It's about our daughters visiting the palace.
I have seen that you are working very hard to take our daughter to the king's palace. You discover what the dog likes by the movement of his stairs. You really want to push our daughter into that palace. Good luck. But if it comes out to become trouble, count me out.
Nine, there's nothing like trouble. Do you know that Queen Okosisi herself came to this compound?
Wait. You mean to say that the Lord Okosisi came into my compound today? Wait. You mean to say that Lord Okosisi stepped into my compound today?
Nani, I'm not trying. I'm telling you that she came here with lots of gifts just to give us approval. To give her approval for our daughter's request.
So, in other words, the wind of royalty is already blowing away. Wait, even if it means negotiating royalty with my daughter, I don't care. Let them go ahead. If it means going there to live right away. Let them go. Provided they bring.
That is my husband. I trust you.
If she comes again, tell her to bring goods. The fat ones.
I will do that. I will do that. This is my prince. This is the palm wine my father asked me to bring to you.
Traffic.
This is the palm wine I was expecting.
Yes, my prince.
Can go.
But my prince, the king asked me to blow the flute for you all day long.
Do you want to tell me that I'm less than a king?
No, my prince. No, my prince.
What do you mean? Don't I have the right to decide? Get out.
No, my prince, you can ask your mate to get you a cup.
Shut up.
I'm sorry, my prince.
Must you drink everything? You cup? When you're sucking your mother's breast, did you use cup?
I'm sorry, my prince.
You shut up. Ah!
Greetings, my prince. I'm humble in your presence, my prince.
Ekperima, God of our land bless you.
Thank you, my prince. How are you, my prince?
What are you looking at?
I'm sorry,
Get
my
out!
prince. Thank you, my prince.
Go! Will you marry me?
My prince. Everybody knows you are the interest of all the maidens of Njuno. I have no reason to decline your offer. Yes, I will.
Then, drink with me.
No.
Enjoy!
I'm fine, my prince. I don't take palm wine. Thank you, my prince. I love you, my prince.
Say it again.
I love you, my prince.
Then let me bless you. Then let me bless you. You love me?
I love you, my prince.
Thank you. God!
Yes, my prince.
Come.
I'm here, my prince.
You come. Bend down. Take her. Give her a giant goat. She is the Lord of this kingdom.
But my prince, she's not yet crowned. She's the future queen.
You shut up. Take her and give her a giant goat.
Come, let me give you
Giant goat. Hey, this is the Lord of this kingdom.
Yes, my prince.
Throw your own.
I didn't
You
get
missed
it.
it again. How many times am I supposed to teach you this? Make a measurement. Target it over there. Then through. Yeah.
I got it. What was it you said you were going to tell me?
Okay. Yeah, I was meaning to tell you that I will leave you to guess this time.
Come again.
Just guess. Try.
Okay. Your trap caught a big meat.
No. Try harder. There is something inside of heart. Just look at my heart. You see it.
I love. Okay, let me guess again.
I'll try.
You have decided to stop eating dog meat.
Who can stop me from eating that dog meat? Neither the living nor the dead.
Including me?
Nothing will come between me and dog meat. Okay, you will try. Have I not told you? Listen, dog meat can chase malaria away.
Are you serious?
Be it Ibocha or Iboji. What are the kind of malaria? You have to start eating dog meat. It's good for health. But that is by the way. So, guess more.
No, my love, I can't guess any further. Please, just tell me.
Okay. Let me help you out. Yeah. My father called me, so we had, heart-to-heart talk, father and son discussion. Then he told me that he had met with my people, members of my kindred. So they finally slated the next for market day to come to your people, bring the necessary things for marriage ritual to come and marry you, so we can pay your bride price and I'll take you home.
My love.
Yes.
All thanks to our gods. So I should not start dancing.
Golibe.
The whole village will know that I'm now yours.
Forever.
I love you, my love.
I told you.
I love you. Please give me a hug.
This is where I will die.
Oh.
Hey, don't mind them, okay? I love you. So let me teach you again.
Thank you. Ma, please, Ma, don't do this to me. Ma, don't do this to me. Ma Snatchy, please, my daughter, why do you want to leave me all alone in this hut? You know you are the only child I have. I don't have any other person, please.
Where is the face that I will use to be going around the village now that he wants to marry Adako? Just let me go, please.
Because you are not ma.
Just allow me to go. I will be better off with my grandmother.
Ma, this place will be dried without you. I don't have any other child. Please, ma, consider my life.
Please, just let me go. I just want to go to your father's house and stay. Do you know each time I see Olisa with Adako, it brings the pain afresh in me. Please, let me go.
Don't go anywhere. I beg you.
Because I just want to go.
Nema, what is happening here? Thank the gods you are here. Mma wants to run away. Please come and talk to her, please. Ma, what is the problem?
I don't want to run away. I just want to dance there with my grandmother.
Why?
Olisa is about to marry Adako. What face will I use to come out again in the village? Look, everybody is laughing at me.
It's okay, that cannot happen. There's something that you cannot do. If you live here now because of Olisa, it shows that Olisa have warned you. Oh. You cannot leave your mother and go out of this house. It's okay, he cannot do it. Let's go inside. I will tell you more other things. No, it's okay. No, it cannot happen. No, let's go inside. I will tell you something. There are some important things. You know you cannot leave your mother. Look at this house. How can your mother stay here? No, don't go anywhere. Don't go to your granny.
Nani, how are you feeling?
Very wonderful. You remind me of those days. those early days. You know?
But I'm still...
When normal was the normal.
Still normal.
By the way, what's with that daughter?
She's in charge. Okay. No.
Which one you are dancing? This one you are dancing.
What is going on?
Now, can't you see what I'm holding?
Oh,
I was on my way back from the village square. I met Ego, and she told me that the prince gave her these goats. So just visiting him, he gave her these goats. No, I'm a very fat one.
Tie the goat here, tie it there. Tie it there. Make sure.
Now this one.
Okay, why you
It's okay. Now that she just paid a visit and she came back with a good. As you can see, sit down. Sit down. What do you think will happen when he finally marries her?
The whole land of Ndiono will become ours now.
Nam, it's good to have a beautiful sister. A very sensible one at that.
Very good.
Adam.
And again.
Namu, greetings. This big goat is like it's ours.
Fool. It's our goat. Look at it. Let it not miss so. Now, let me give you an assignment. I want you to take this goat. He's an expert. Chibiki is an expert in killing goats. He will strangle this goat with it. Kill it. You prepare it. Very nice royal soup.
Hey, Pepe.
Let's enjoy it because we're now royalty.
Yes,
We're now royalty. We're now royal.
Remember.
Greetings, my princess. You look beautiful each new day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Greetings, beautiful princess of our land. May the gods bless the day you are born.
It seems you are going to the farm.
Yes, my princess.
Right. May Mary bless you all.
Thank you, my princess.
My princess. My princess. Greetings, my princess.
Greetings.
My princess. I would love to ask a little favor from you. Just a small favor.
If it is within my power, you will have it done.
My princess, please. I'm in love with the prince. Anytime I see him, my heart skips. I cannot breathe, my princess. Everyone knows I'm not lying. My princess, please help me talk to the prince. Please, my princess.
Do you know her?
Yes, my princess. She's in Jideka, the daughter of Egwon, the famous Panwan Tapa, before his death.
Please, my princess, please consider her request. She's a nice girl from a well-trained home.
She is well-trained and she's a respecter of our culture and tradition.
A lot of good testimonies about you.
Thank you, my princess.
I shall talk to the prince about you.
Hey, thank you, my princess.
I hereby grant you the permission to visit the palace at any time.
Hey, thank you, my princess. Everyone bless you, my princess. You're beautiful, my princess. My princess, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, my princess.
Onanya Onyega bobimo Ezi agwa bụ mma nwanyị onye ga-abụ nke m Ọkpara eze dịka m ụwa bịa m n'afụfụ
What is happening here?
What is it?
Oh, don't know. She just ran in and...
What's wrong with you?
What is it?
What is it?
Nobody now.
Who's chasing you? Who's chasing you?
I feel so tired. So disgusted. so terrible.
About what now?
About what?
Talk to your father.
Hey.
What is it?
Hey! Hey! Pa! I feel so disgusted. So terrible.
About
What is
Hey!
it? What is it? What happened? Talk to your father.
I was eating with the prince.
No matter now.
Suddenly he started coughing. Then he did not even cover his mouth. All his saliva went into that food. Hey!
Hey!
I almost threw up. So I had to leave the palace. Hey!
So you mean that you left the palace simply because the prince coughs? Why eating? Ego. Don't you know that coughing is one of woman's actions? Ngwa, back to the palace now.
Shut up! How dare you? Even when I'm still standing, you are the person that started this. You initiated it. So what you want now is this: in everything concerning Ego, my only daughter, you must end their own way. Shut up! This one will not be according to your way. Don't you know that imbecility is an infectious disease? Don't you know? You want that deadly sickness, that depressing disease, to be traced to my lineage. Mba.
This sugar that have entered my mouth must not be removed.
Nonsense.
Nna is right.
I will dash you to them.
Have we thought about their offspring if they get married? I don't want to have imbeciles as nephews and nieces, so I don't want to have them. I've said.
Shut up your mouth! Come on, shut up. Look at your mouth. Don't you know that you have no base here? Eh? Achawacha, epota. Ejuekwana uji, ewa azu ite. Nukwa goku no nozo.
Nim, I need to go and take some rest. I'm tired.
Yeah, because of all this. This prince is an imbecile prince. If you know what is good for you, just keep your mouth permanently shut. I warned you before. You will not listen. This prince is an imbecile prince. We saw him the other time demonstrating the height of imbecility. This is who you want my daughter to go and stay with. Okay? On my walk. Go and tell your father's children, all of them, their grandchildren, their seeds, let them go and marry imbeciles. All of you.
Will only be discovered
from
a
Come on, get out, go and start in the backyard. Useless boys, idiots. When I came in here, I saw none of them. I want to find a neighbor.
So that is why we have come.
Thank you.
Yes, is that not?
That is.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you. Come. Oh. Hey. Masinachi. I'm sure you are familiar with Icheike's family. This is the wife. Here is the senior son. And the Otanu, the second son. And this is my beautiful daughter, Masinachi. Oyoyom, she is beautiful. Oyoyom.
Indeed beautiful.
You want to say anything again? What is it?
I came with my parents to
Otan, wait. That is not the tradition.
Mom.
You have missed it.
No.
Now, Ned. We want you to tell your daughter what you asked you to tell her.
Of course. That is why. All right. Masinachi. Otanu, the son of Ike the number, has come to ask your hand in marriage. Should I go ahead and accept their cola or not?
Where is Lolo?
She is in her chamber, my lord.
Have you had anything to eat?
Yes, Your Majesty. We just finished eating.
Good. You can go now.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Greeting! Igwe Kosisi, the great leader of Unduno.
The great seer. Your face is not familiar.
Of course, that's why you suffer from many unfamiliar things. My name is Akbeama Onuku, the greatest Divya in Akbugoland. I come to help your son.
You're welcome.
Without wasting your time, Igwe, the king of Nome, is responsible for your son's imbecility.
Are you serious?
Let me tell you what's happened.
Igwe, are you sure they are going to come?
He knows me.
Of course, Your Majesty. Everybody knows you.
Or should we go? They are here, Igwe. I can see them coming.
Igwe Ogosisi Nechendo, you sent for me as a matter of urgency.
Yes. Ezafojuru, I sent for you to make one thing clear to you. That this Atavo land belongs to us. It was taken by your great-grandfather from my great-grandfather. And I'm here to collect it back.
That's not possible. This land belongs to us.
What do you know about the history of this land? Your great-grandfather
collected it from my dull and weak great-grandfather.
But today, a lion has risen in his lineage.
And that lion
is me, Eze Okosisi Nechendo, one of Ndiono. I'm here to take it back.
This land is ours. I can't let you have it.
Go and tell your people to stay away from this land.
Or my wrath will visit your people.
No blood will be shed because of this land. I will communicate with my chiefs to tell everybody to stop making use of this land for you.
Stay away from this land. I have spoken.
I suggest we should pass our land.
No blood will be shed because of this land.
But this land belongs to us.
I know. Let us go.
Igwe, he wants to dethrone you and take over your kingdom.
I see.
Stand and take your place. That is my message.
Abby, just don't be in a hurry. Wait. Dad,
Okay.
go and get him a goat.
May the gods bless you.
Prince. It's the prince. He's coming with the palace guard.
There you go.
Yeah.
Run in immediately. Run in! The prince of our land, I welcome you to my humble abode.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings, my prince.
I am here to take my wife home.
But my prince, you are not married yet.
Come here. Come here. Bend down. Bless me.
May the gods bless you, my prince.
Bend down. Bless me again.
May the gods bless you, my prince.
My prince, the truth is that my daughter, Ego, is not very much around now.
But I saw her from afar. Don't I know my wife again?
Of course, my prince, you do.
You know her, my prince.
My prince, it cannot be long that she left the hut.
She is an industrious wife. When she comes back, tell her that the priest was here to see her in this poor home. What did he say?
Oh, what we are saying is that it's alright. When she comes home, we will tell her to visit her. You know? Have you seen it? This is where our daughter would have landed. The prince is not only an imbecile, he also has mental sickness. Have you not seen? Have you not seen? Look at how they are parading him like a masquerade. Look at where you wanted the daughter to land. This is where my daughter would have landed now. Nonsense.
You've forgotten the time you're enjoying the goat with me.
Shut up your mouth. Foolish woman. Will you get inside? Get inside. Nonsense woman. Then, because of a goat, I will sacrifice my daughter in the altar of an imbecile.
Honestly, that was how it happened that day. You need to see it. It was so funny.
Very funny.
You need to understand because you're not there. Oh.
Greetings, real family.
Greetings, my dear. Rise.
Thank you.
They said you're looking for my brother on the chain.
Yes, you
Oh.
Is here?
No, my dear. It's not quite long he left.
Yes.
I guess we should go and come back later.
No problem. No problem. I will come.
It's okay. Make yourself comfortable.
Yeah, sit down. Maid, get her something to eat. So, how is your parents? Okay, no problem. Were you the one I saw the other day at the stream? Oh, okay. What about your friends?
She's fine.
Okay, no problem. Enjoy yourself. Bring the other one so she can eat too. Yeah.
Greetings, my friends. Greetings.
Greetings, my prince.
My prince, this is my daughter. And you know now, her peers group, they all started getting married. And you'll be visiting other families that have maidens. My daughter is beautiful and you have not visited me now. I won't come to our house.
She's beautiful, just like you.
Hey, thank you, my prince. You will live long.
Bless you.
Go ahead. Come back, come. It's a royal knock now. Look at this girl. Oh. Hi, instead of you to come and receive again, you are running away. Anyway, my prince, please.
Why is she running?
Forgive me. Don't mind her. I will take care of that. But please, try and come and visit us. Thank you, my prince. Thank you. Hey.
Thank you, my prince.
You're welcome. Just exercise a little bit. So honestly, once my brother comes back, I'm going to tell him about you. Don't worry, you just have to be good. I love your courage.
Thank you, my prince.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Mates.
Yes, my princess. You boys should get all the ingredients ready. The king awaits some pepper soup.
Yes, my princess.
Oh, I hope you enjoyed it.
It was splendid.
No problem. So, what I was telling you the other time, see, I just need... Oh, let's give them a little bit chance. Greetings on the team, my brother. Welcome.
Have you taken your bath today?
Yes, my friends. My name is Njideka.
Because you're smelling.
Yes, my prince. Yes, my prince. She's of a good behavior.
You said your name is what?
Njideka, my friends.
Mates. Yes, my prince.
Where's the soup, my prince?
Boil hot water for him. I guess you have some cough. I'll be in my chamber.
I'm not here.
Because I told you to go to the palace and see the prince. You are here crying. When you finish this cry of yours, you must go to the palace for the prince to see you and admire you. Because the prince must marry you and I must be the queen mother. Do you hear me? Go to the palace, oh!
Nne, you know I'm already betrothed to somebody. How do you expect me to have something with an imbecile? Imbecile, Nne!
Is it imbecility that we are talking about? Or the lands that the king will give to us? The goats? The plant, everything? The clothing? Please, let me tell you, don't even try it. When you finish this cry of yours, you must go to palace. Because I must be the queen mother.
Alright. You want to be an in-law to the prince.
Now.
You want to be among the royal family.
Yes, now.
You want cows and goats. No problem, Nne. The thing is, you have to go and marry the prince. Or better still, marry the king.
Hey, Bife!
Leave me.
Come here! Come here!
Ifunanya onye ga-abụ obi mo ezi agwa bụ mma nwanyị onye ga-abụ nke mo akpara eze dịka mo ụwa bịa m n'afụfụ afụkwa maka na arụ adịghị m ka o jide m otu a onye ga-abụ nke m.
Greet the prince.
I will not. Why must I greet him? Have you forgotten I'm a son to the new?
Ono. Who is Ono? Compared to Prince Onoche Okosunechendo. the heir apparent to the throne of Ondeno. Now say your greetings.
I will not do that. My father is a titled man. I will not. I will not do that.
Around nonsense. Say this now.
I will not do that.
Now, get him down.
Masinachi, you can't keep us waiting for so long. Tell us what is in your mind now.
Ma, please tell me your mind. I want to marry you.
Oh,
please tell me your mind.
My mind, Otalo. My mind is that you die here.
Huh? Chimuo, Adio. My mind is that
all of you should die here.
Hey! This is an insult. This is an insult.
What is it?
Look, my people, let's go. My people, get up, let's go.
Otan! Hey, so follow your father. Why you been Ike? Why you been Jidenia? How? Hey, what mara puta kwanu? I must marry her. Hey! Ma, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Don't do this.
Gods, what temerity! You don't have fear. Who is your now compared to the king?
Get him down now.
That you seek prince and pass.
Get him down!
Get down or I cut you to two.
Now!
I greet you, prince.
Son of a no.
I'm sorry for...
Son of a no.
My head. My head.
Yes,
I am a move.
I bless you. Get up around.
Come on. People are very lucky. Next time you come to my house.
Are you talking to me?
No, my prince.
Why are you carrying this machete? Do you want to kill somebody?
Yes. I wanted to use it on some people's heads. I didn't know that they didn't take this track.
Not my head.
No, my prince. May the gods forbid that I use this on my prince. I was only made to protect you, my prince. May the gods of our land bless you, my prince.
Get up. That is my wife.
She's pretty, my prince.
She is beautiful and she is fit for the future queen.
In fact, I have married her. Let's go.
My prince, I beg to take my leave.
You have to be fast. Don't movement. Move! Now, especially you need to be fast. Okay, I want you to defend this. Let's forget about this. Move. Come for me. Come for me. Oh. Two of you, where? Go. It's okay. It's okay. Get your stand. Where's your stand? So finally, it's you and I in this conflict. Do you know, questions have been coming. People have been asking me, among all the maidens in this land of Nome, why you? I told them that beauty is not just about facial look or complexion. Your character is sweet. You are the true picture of an African woman. I love you. I know.
Yes, my prince. And I cannot wait for the marriage rite to come. Thank the gods of our land, Obuniwe, who have finally made our dream come true.
Of course, Goma, of course. Among all the maidens in this community, you are the only one standing out.
But, my prince, where are we heading to without the guard?
Forget about the guards. Look, Goma, we are about to become husband and wife. There are so many things you need to know about me, and I want to teach you.
And I will gladly learn them all.
Of course, Goma.
My prince! Where could he possibly be? I am his chief guard, and under normal circumstances, I'm supposed to know his whereabouts. Emeka Naya!
Now that we have gotten to the boundary of Ndiono and Enume, I think all of us need to be alert at all times. This is a serious business and a task we must accomplish without failure.
Exactly.
None of us should be distracted.
You must remember, if we do not get Omekanaya alive, the Igwe will kill us.
None of us should be distracted in this journey.
At this point in time, I think we all have to watch our backs.
I think we have to stop talking. Yeah? We have to stop talking and to watch well.
Good. Wait.
In that case, we have to further. We have to move further. No mercy. This is a mission that we must not fail. Meanwhile, wait here. Let me look around.
My daughter, you can't continue like this. Eh? You have to open your heart for another man.
I do not want any other man. Just let me be the way I am. All men are the same. They are all the same.
May the gods forbid. All men are not the same. Eh? It's just that you are engaged with the wrong one. If you did not open your heart...
Greetings to this household. Prince Omekanaya Okosine Chendo of Ondiono is here.
Greetings, my prince.
Stand up and sit down.
Come, my prince. Let me go and get a seat.
Greet my queen.
I'm coming.
Ezi agwa bụ mma nwanyị. Agwa maka ego abụghị ife niile. Onye na-achọ ka ọ nụrụ m. Maka oche eze nna m. Ayi, alili eligbo m. Ifunanya.
My prince, let me go and get you something I prepared.
Give it to me, let's do it now.
Of all the places, why in the bush, my prince?
Ma, you complain a lot. It's sweeter here. This is called bush method. Let's do it, Ma. Stop complaining.
No, my prince.
Come on.
My prince, you have a lot of huts in the palace. Let's go there. We'll be comfortable more than
you. I don't know. You talk too much. Ma, do you know I'm Prince of Nome? You complain a lot. You're my betrothed wife, for crying out loud. I can take it anywhere in this kingdom.
Who do we have here?
Come on, stand there. Please, I am Prince Omekanaya,
the son of Igwa Foduru, King of Nome. Please, don't hurt me. We mean no harm. You boast like your father.
Oh yes!
Like father, like son. I like your gods.
I also like your beats. This prince must be one of those wild animals. For him trying to make love in the bush. Oh yes! Come on, stand where?
Look at his head. Like that of an earthworm.
Look at his head. Please, we mean no harm, please.
Shut up! If you make any offense,
I will arrange your dentition again. Now, move them.
Please.
Please. Come on, move.
Please.
Move them. Move them. This way. That is my wife. That is my wife. That's my wife.
Please.
Please. That's my wife.
Please. My prince. Please.
Come, let me take you home and give you the food I prepare for you in my dream.
My prince, you were so funny. How can someone physically eat food prepared in the dream?
This food is very delicious. You will like it.
Okay, all right.
Come, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Me, I'm coming, no?
What is it again?
Ojugo, please.
Eh?
Ojugo, please, Ojugo. Please, Ojugo.
Oh.
Please, Ojugo, forgive her. You know, she's just a mere child. She doesn't know what she was doing. Eh? Somebody broke her heart. And she was in that pen before you people came.
If someone broke her heart, is it my son, Otan, that broke her heart? Your daughter's words were heavy that I, and my entire family should die. Hey!
That is why I'm pleading with you. Please forgive her. Eh?
Hey!
Please forgive her. I went to see our big Dibia in this village yesterday. The Dibia of this land. And he said that my daughter will be alright again.
That is a wise decision.
Oh.
You know that you're a good woman. And because I know very well that you raised Mma, your daughter, well, that is why I supported my son to marry her. Have we quarreled in this village?
No, we have not.
We are friends, though. We used to be friends before this incident.
Yes.
Ned, I have forgiven her. When I get home, I will also tell Nai what we discussed.
Ojugo, thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Please talk to Otano. Let Otano forgive her too.
No problem. No problem.
The gods of our land will bless you.
He say, and bless you too.
He
If
say,
the gods permit, two of them will still get married. We will not become in-laws. Ned. Anyway, I have to go and prepare this vegetable for now. He's waiting.
All right. Bye bye.
My queen, you're looking so beautiful today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Woman! Where is your son? Where is Omekania?
Omekania? I don't know, my lord. He left since morning. While he was going out, I told him to go with his guard, but he refused.
What's happening to you? Stand up! Did you see my son?
I was with him before the warriors of Ndon attacked us and took us to the palace, where King Okosisi orders for him to be detained.
What? On what grounds?
I don't know.
My son, Omekania.
Yes, Your Highness.
Hey! Igwe, nothing must happen to my son. My son must not be hurt. Please, you have to release him for me.
My queen, should we make you up?
Yes, my queen. We're here to make you up.
Get out!
Sorry, my queen.
I said get out! I don't even know if my son is still alive. I don't know what they are doing with him. Ninduno.
Obidia, you don't have to continue like this. You know I am with you. And I believe very much they are not going to harm him. Stop crying like this for our son and be saying bad things.
How can I be fine when they are detaining my son in Ndono since he left this palace?
Long live your majesty.
What is it?
The elders are here to see you.
Ask them to come in. Bring them in. It's all right. My elders.
Igwe.
Did you see him? Are they holding my son? Say something.
My king, are you in any way responsible for Prince Onochie?
How can you ask a question like that?
My king, Okosindechendo is threatening that if his abnormal son does not get married and be coronated, for him to retain his throne, that our next gift will be the head of your son, Prince.
No! No! Did you hear that? No! You have to do something, though! You have to do something! You have to save my son, please! You have to save my son, though!
My king, I suggest we go to war.
We give them war! We declare war against them! We cannot fold them hand and see our prince to die like that! No!
No blood will be shed in my reign.
If I am responsible for what they are accusing me of,
let the prince suffer his fate in that land.
But if I'm not responsible,
the gods of our land, Osisi Atofe, will rise up and fight for me.
my friends, I'm no longer comfortable with what is happening in this village. Are you people blind? Can't you see?
Mosita, you have not told us why you asked us to gather under this mango tree.
The problem is that the people of Nduno came and kidnapped our prince.
Yes, sir. Oh, our prince has been kidnapped.
No, he is sleeping. Then I suggest we fight. Yes, since the Igwe has refused to send his warriors, we are all men.
You are right. Yes. We can fight. You are men. You are right. We should go attack them and make sure our prince is being released. Yes.
No, my friends. Igwe said no violence. When Igwe says no violence, then no violence. Igwe is a peacemaker. When Igwe needs us to fight, then we will fight. After all, the priest in question is his son. He should be the one in pain more than we do. So I suggest we all go back to our various duties. As for me, I'm going back home to prepare for my hunting.
Obanta, home?
Yes, let's go home.
Let's go. Let us follow them.
I'm not going. We're talking about prince. I'm talking about an age.
Okay. Rosita.
Manwam, how could you have ever thought of getting married to the prince? Knowing that he is unsound and disordered.
I love him so much.
Shut your mouth. Look at who is talking. That's too much. Love prince. Ani Bessel. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Love who so much? If Nanya, talk to your friend. Talk to her before I will do something strange to her. Talk to her. Better change your mind. Talk to her or
Mama, talk to me. You see how angry your mother is. Now tell me the truth. Do you want to marry the prince because of the throne?
No. Ifunanya, you ought to have known me by now. I don't know what I feel for the prince. The way I feel for him is something that I've never felt before. Not even Olisa, who was betrothed to me. Ha.
Oh, Chimo.
Hey! Very soon, Mom give birth to an imbecile. And you will be looking like the prince saying, no, I want to eat. I want to eat water. No,
and the king will tell his abnormal son, why do the man to give you food? Use the best.
This is not fun at all. I'm telling you people, it's not funny. You people just stop it. In short, I'm leaving you people.
Wait now. Wait.
Nduna kwenu! Kwenu! Kwezu wenu! The great people of Nduna Kingdom, you are welcome to this great occasion of the coronation of my son, Onochie, the Prince of Nduna. By the power vested on me as King Okosine Chendo of Nduna Kingdom, I hereby crown my son, Prince Onochie of Nduna Kingdom.
Stop.
I have something to say.
People of Nduna,
I am neither an imbecile nor a defunct person. This is what happened.
Look at how grown up you have become. I remember not too long ago when you were brought to me, you were just a little child.
Yes, Papa, it's true. And I really thank you for all the love and care you showered on me.
Oh, Chuku. But your father played a very important role in it. With all the foodstuff and all the things he brings for us, that really sustained us.
Yes, Papa, it's true. Yes, Papa, I remember. Please, I have to hurry up and finish this. You know, we have no water at home. And I have to go to stream and get some water.
Have you eaten?
No, Papa. I will eat when I come back.
I will shake my waist. The way I don't mean it. You know me.
Pretty Maiden. What is your name?
Hey, how can you just stop somebody and you're asking me my name? You, what is your own name?
Oh, I'm sorry about that. My name is Onochie.
My name is Urema.
Urema? What a beautiful name.
Go straight to the point. How can I help you?
You see, the moment I set my eyes on you, I can't explain the feelings I have for you. You see, I want you to be my friend.
Your friend?
Yes.
Just like that?
I can do anything to make you happy. Anything. I will shower you with gifts, money, love. Just mention it. Anything for you. Just mention it.
Okay, I've heard what you said. There is no problem. So can I go now?
You see, if you should tell me where you live, later today or tomorrow, I will bring some gifts for you.
Okay. I live at Ukoji.
Okay. Just expect me.
Okay, no problem. Let's go.
Bye-bye.
This
wrestling competition. I told Okangai that I am going to defeat him.
And he said what?
He said I will not. He was doubting me. He said I cannot defeat him.
Don't mind him. I know what you can do. And you know my brother, Amandia Neze. Amandia, you
trust me now.
How much?
Yes, my pretty man.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. I promised to bring you some gifts.
Wow. All this for me?
Yes.
Thank you so much. It's beautiful.
You love it?
Of course, thank you. Onoche, this is my brother. His name is Amandia Neze.
Amandia Neze, one.
Mandi, his name is Onoche.
Onoche, how are you?
I am fine.
Come. Me? Come! I can see you. My sister.
I love your sister so much.
I see. No problem. Since you can take proper care of her, she's yours. She's all yours.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. Don't worry about that.
That means we are friends.
Let's go back. We are back.
Wow, my gift is beautiful. Very beautiful gift.
I must be on my way home now. My grandfather must be waiting for me.
Let me find something for you. Don't you want to eat?
No, don't worry. Maybe some other time.
So soon?
You are now my friend. I will visit you some other time.
Anyway, no problem. Urema, won't you escort your guest?
Of course I will.
She's following you. Just be going. Hi! Wow. Hey! A na-ekwu na mmadụ enwere obi mmadụ. Mmadụ enwekwa obi ebere. Chai! I will use this my sister make money in this village. Guys will suffer. Guys will suffer.
Onochi, what is the source of this your newfound happiness?
Since yesterday, you have been standing around smiling at yourself.
Nani, no, I don't want to sit down. Tell me. Tell me what is the source. Tell me the source of your happiness.
Okay, Nani, I have found the love of my life. Nai, I said I have found the love of my life. Nai, if you see this maiden, she is very, very beautiful. Yes, Nai. Don't worry. You will see her very soon.
As long as you are happy, I am happy too. It gives me joy to see you smiling always like this. Keep being happy, eh? Let me rush to the farm and do some clearing. I will be back. You know?
Okay, now.
Oh, no, Tianwam. Oh, no, you are in love.
Ogade, the prettiest woman in this kingdom. In fact, you're the love of my life.
Please, is you Remato? Please, don't touch me with those dirty hands of yours.
Oh God, why are you behaving like this now? Why are you behaving like this? Eh? My sister Urema is your friend. And I'm your friend's brother. Is it not better that your friend's brother becomes your close friend?
Amanda Neze, I've told you time with that number that you're not my type.
That I'm not your type? How? Okay, tell me what I will do to be your type.
Nothing.
Why nothing? Eh?
Ogadi, you're here. Yes, Urema. We're already late. Please, can we go? Yes, there's no problem. Amandi, I'll join you soon.
Okay. I'm not your type. Eh? Ana-ekwu mmadụ enwere obi ebere. Mmadụ enwekwu obi mmadụ. This is a pathetic story. Oh. You better reason my mood now. Okay?
Rema, tell me what? Come, talk. What is it? Rema, tell me about your newfound love. Which newfound love? What do you mean by that? Onochi, of course. Oh, that one. Is it that one you're talking about? Hey, please forget that one. He said he loves me. And then yesterday, he brought me some gifts. Beautiful gifts. But you know now, Gadi, you know my heart is with Nana. You know. Rema, if you know you don't want him, tell him off. Tell him off? Yes. How can I tell him off? I am not a beautiful girl for nothing. Please, allow him to be showering me with lots of gifts. It is my gain. Don't tell me to tell him off. I cannot tell him off. What? That's not fair. What is not fair? Please come, let's go fast.
Like this.
Then push it in
front.
Greetings, Nai. I'm okay.
Urema, how are you?
I'm fine.
Nai. This is Urema, the maiden I told you about the other day.
Oh. Mom, you're welcome.
Thank you, Nai.
No.
Thank you.
Onochi, just don't worry, leave this, eh? Attend to your guests. Let me go to the back and attend to the yams in the barn so that you will have time for your visitor.
But Nai.
We're happy here, eh? You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you.
Urema.
Onochi.
Please sit down.
I have not come to sit. Onochi, please. I have a little problem.
Problem?
Yes. My father traveled. My brother and I don't even have anything at home to eat. So I came to know if there's any way you can just help us.
It's okay, it's okay. You know what? I will go inside now and I will get you some money so that you go inside the market and buy some food stuff. Yeah?
Thank you, thank you.
I'm coming. Just wait.
Thank you.
Have this. Just go to the market and buy some food stuff for you and your brother. When this money finish, come to me. I'll still give you more to go and buy more.
Thank you so much. May the gods bless you, Onochi. Thank you so much. I have to run along now.
Yeah, please. Please wait. I'll be coming to your house tomorrow to see your father. You know, so that I will tell him that I really love you and I want to marry you. I can't wait to start taking good care of you.
So soon?
Why not?
Okay, thank you very much. Let me run along.
I will come tomorrow and see you, yeah?
You still want to see me tomorrow?
Why not?
I'm not here. There's no problem.
Bye. Greet your brother for me.
Oh, so bad.
Nani. Nani.
Urema, I don't understand you. Wait, what are you trying to say? So, you're planning to leave me?
My love, how can I leave you? I can't leave you. You are the only love of my life. Look, let me tell you. Onochi, whatever he calls himself, he's only trying to buy me off with gifts, money and all that, which I know I will never fall for it. I will never. You are the only love of my life. Yes, as if you don't know. You're saying, as if you don't know.
Are you sure?
Of course, my love, I am sure.
Well, I trust you. Do you know why I trust you? Because you're a wise girl. If he's falling for you, eat him.
I'll eat his money.
Deep.
I'll
Finish up his money.
Yeah, now I like it. See, my love. Love, now you understand where I'm going to.
I know where you're going.
So, where are we going to spend this one today?
Oh, you want us to spend this one?
Of course, it's for two of us.
All his money will go in for
Nkwabi.
bushmeat and palm wine.
He thinks he has money. This one is even small. I'll go for more. I will tell him that, see.
Onochi, good day.
Good day. You are Uremma's friend, right?
Yes. My name is Ogadi. Why don't I help you with your firewood?
No. Don't just worry yourself. I can manage.
Looking at it, it looks a bit heavy. Alright, why don't I escort you home?
It's okay, you can't carry it. Let's go.
Alright.
Is very, very heavy. But let me drop it.
No, sorry.
Thank you, my dear.
You're welcome. Anochi, there is something I want to tell you.
Okay, go ahead.
For a while now, I've been thinking about you. Onochi, I want you to be my man. I think I love you.
Ogade, you know my heart is already with Uremma, your friend.
What if she doesn't feel the same way about you? What if her heart is with someone else?
Ogade, I love Uremma so much, and I know she loves me too.
What if I love you more? Onochi, you're the kind of man I've always dreamt about. Please, be my man.
Ogade, please let's stop this discussion. It won't work. I love Uremma so much. My heart is already with her.
Onochi, I'll give you some time to think about it. But I just want you to know one thing. I love you. And I truly do.
How is Uremma? Uremma your sister? I haven't seen her for some time now.
She's fine. Very, very fine. I will tell her you asked after her.
That is fine, that is fine. You see, when you get home, tell her to come to my house.
To your house?
Yes.
Okay.
I have a very nice gift. I mean, very nice gift for her.
Gift?
Yes.
I will tell her. I will tell her. Consider it done.
Don't forget to tell her.
No, I will tell her.
The message.
No, don't worry. Since you mentioned gift, I will tell her.
That is nice. That is nice of you.
I will tell her.
Yes, yes.
Gift is involved. Hey! A na-ekwu na mmadụ enwere obi mmadụ. Mmadụ bịakwuo, o nwere ogwe obi ebere. Onye eriri eriwa ya akpa anya ruo n'isi. I will tell her. Uremma.
I'm ready to go.
Yes. Come, Uremma, come. Sit.
Hope there is no problem.
No. Just sit down. Just hold your ears.
Why should I hold my ears?
See, you know that boy Onochie really loves you.
So because of Onoche, you're telling me to hold my ears?
Yes, see. You know he takes proper care of you. You understand?
I know he loves me now. But have you forgotten that it's Nana that I love?
Whatever thing you're doing with Nana, don't lose him. You know, Papa is not fit anymore. And I am still believing Amadioha for his blessing. We need him. We need him close.
Amandi, I know all these things you're saying. But I love Nana. It's Nana I love. I can't just leave Nana like that. Is it because Onoche is buying me material things? Is that why I would just leave Nana? I can't though.
Okay, that reminds me. I saw him yesterday. He said you should come to his house, that he has some gift to give to you.
Onoche?
Yes.
Another gift for me.
I was even surprised when he said it.
I've heard what you said. Let me go and see Nana first. After seeing Nana, then I will branch and sing.
Okay. Uremma! Hey! I know you na mmadụ enwere obi ebere. Mmadụ enwekwa obi mmadụ. Hey.
That thing you promised to buy for me, you not bought it though.
Everything. In this village, I will do everything for you. Oh, Malita, listen to me. Anything I promise you, I must fulfill it. I must do it for you.
When?
Don't you trust me?
I trust you.
My
But when will you do it? When? I told you I need another time to be honest.
When do you want it?
Today.
Today?
Yes.
It's all yours.
Why not? What's it?
Uremma.
You know him? Maybe one of your village admirers. You know you're so beautiful. I will do anything and everything for you.
I love you. You know this. Oh, please, my love. Make sure you buy it. I need that bangle.
Anything I promise you, I must fulfill it.
Onye. Onochie.
Get off. Onoche. Onoche. What happened to you?
I saw your grandson in the bush where he ate a poisonous leaf. If I hadn't gotten there on time, he would have died. Hurry. Hurry now.
Thank you very much for bringing him home. I will take care of him from there.
Please do.
You may leave.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Oh no, sorry.
She betrayed me.
Who betrayed you?
I was coming back from the farm with firewood. I sued them back. She was making love with another man in the bush. Like, you never betrayed me.
Wait. Is that why you went to eat avu to leave? What if you had died? Eh? Do you know who you are? Come, I'll take care of it. Now listen, Uremma is not for you. She is beneath you. She is not worthy of your love. You will find true love. Okay? Okay? Come, let me take care of you. God, she brought you. Go on. Hi. So my son, that is how you came to live with me here as a little kid.
Nah. Since it's like that, there is nothing more for me in this village. Everything, everywhere reminds me of Uremma. Nah, I have to go back to my father's place.
Yes, you have to go. Even though it will hurt me so much when you leave. But you have to go home and be near your father's throne.
Ogadi, I don't know how to thank you. Thank you for saving my life. I wish it is possible for me to love you, but I don't love you. If I say I love you, I'm lying. And I don't want to pretend that I love you while I don't love you. But one thing is sure. There will always be a space in my heart. I will never forget you. Thank you once more.
Onochi, it's okay, I understand. I do. I want you to know one thing. I always love you. Yes, I will. Onochi.
It's alright. Take good care of yourself. And thank you very much for everything.
Onochi, may the gods of our land be with you.
It's good. I need my son alone. Kneel down, let me pray.
Grandpa, that reminds me. Tomorrow, my father's guards, they will come here to fetch me because the time has come for me to go back to my father's palace. It's time for them to crown me Onochi.
Yes, that's very correct. Kneel down, let me pray. Onochi, you have always been like a son to me. I have loved and cared and cherished you all your life. You are a prince. You will go back to your kingdom and take your rightful place. And the gods of our land will send you the right woman who will be your queen.
Can't even run. Look at the way you're running.
Hey.
I'm tired. Come closer, come closer.
Hi.
Obi, how long have you been in this land?
I can't really tell, but I think I have been here right from the time I was underage. Yes, in fact, when I was a minor, I almost thought I'm from this village. I almost believed that my grandmother was my biological mother. Not until she explained better that she's my grandmother.
This is strong love.
My grandmother loved me so much. Her love for me is essence.
Obi, so you mean you will leave me here and go to your father's land? I'm going to miss you.
Yes, I can't leave you in this village. When I'll be going to my father's place, you'll be going with me. I will introduce you to my father as my wife to be, so that whenever I be, there you will be.
Is that so?
Yes, that is a promise. I will introduce you to my father as future wife.
Okay.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
I love you so much. So.
Obi, do you know the funniest part of the whole thing? That Prince Onochi don't know things that I love him. Me, Uzonne.
Just calm down. Keep on pretending that you love him. Once he is finally crowned, then we suck him dry, abandon him, run away and get married.
Exactly, my love.
You know we have been long, you gave it to me in the bush. And I think we should just do it. I can see there's nobody around here. Can't we just have 1 or 2 stones here?
Open. But here is open. People might see us. Let's go into your hut.
Which open? Just calm down. Let's just take this thing yourself. Just calm down, calm down.
Stop.
Stop. Yeah, calm down. Just give me some time, please. Yeah, just give me some time.
A certain maiden who said Ezinne is her friend, but claimed to be in love with you, told me this.
But grandmother,
my son,
I was, okay.
It's okay, my son, my grandson. It is better it hurts you now, so that it will hurt you no more. Why are you crying like this? Let's go. Oh, yeah. What happened? What is it? What is it? Look at there. What is it? Hey! Help me! Help me! What happened? What happened? Hey! Look at there. What did you eat? What did you eat? What did you eat? Hey! You ate this sleep. You ate this sleep. You want to kill yourself. Don't you know that it's very poisonous? Eh? Leave! Help! I want to help! Never stop you! I want help! Where do you think you're going to?
Grandmother, I don't know what I did to Onechi. He has been avoiding me.
Why wouldn't he avoid you? You're a disgrace to womanhood. Supposed to avoid you? In fact, you are not supposed to come here. If you have shame, you are not supposed to come here. Are you through with your secret affairs with Ojuku? Are you true? Or you think we will not know? You better leave this place.
Grandmother.
Before I do what you will not like to you. Leave this place!
Grandmother, please, let me just see him.
Leave here before he kills you!
Onochie! Onochie!
I said leave this place! You don't want to live here!
Grandmother, who are you talking to?
Onochie!
No, don't worry, I will handle
please
it.
Please forgive me. I love you, please.
I should forgive you. You love me.
Please. I'm sorry for what I did to you. Please. You know I love you.
Oh,
please
you love me.
Forgive me.
I will forgive her. I'm coming.
Onochie.
Just wait. It's been why.
Leave this place. Leave here. Leave this place. He will kill you and I will not come to your burial. Leave this place. Leave this place, I'm telling you.
Onochie. Onochie, it's okay. It's okay.
Onochie, please. Don't kill her.
Grandmother, very soon I'll be going to my parents' house to be coronated. But my greatest challenge is whom to take as a wife to my parents. I mean as a trusted daughter-in-law to my parents.
My grandson, you are a prince. Every woman must love you. But only one person will be a true love. Just one person.
Grandmother, I don't understand what you just said now.
What I'm trying to say is that pretend as if you're either poor or terribly afflicted. Then you see your true love. That person you're looking for will even press water on you. If you tell her that you're sick, press water on you, bath you, even give you food in your mouth.
As if I'm poor or terribly afflicted. Pretend as if I'm terribly afflicted or poor. Grandmother, yes, I can actually be like this. Wait, okay. Let me show you. Be like this.
Stop it! Stop it, come and sit down. Stop it and sit down.
Grandmother, I love you.
Stop it. Hey, may the gods forbid. May the gods forbid that my grandson should be like this.
No, grandmother. You know that my parents have not seen me for decades now. I think we should keep this as a secret between us. Please, grandmother.
You know, if you do that, don't you think you'll break their hearts? My son.
But grandmother, what if I had died when I attempted taking my life? Will it be better that way? Grandmother, please do this for me, please. Let's keep it as a secret between us.
It's okay. It's okay.
I love you so much. But
I said it.
Igwe Okozisi Nechendo. My mother Lolo. My siblings. I am sorry for the pains that I may have caused you. But I did it for a purpose. I did it to find my true love. People of Unduno, it is not easy to form abnormal. At first, I wanted to stop. I thought of stop pretending like an imbecile. But I have to continue. At a time, I became tired.
What is it, my prince?
Butterfish, Shireti. I want to go and ease myself.
But my prince, I think we should follow you to ensure that you are safe.
Shut up. He's safe and he wants to ease himself. He's not going to the forest. Let's wait here. Sit down.
Gods of Udono.
Greetings, beautiful maidens of our land. How are you doing?
We are fine.
This one, both of you are standing here. Hope there's no problem.
Everything's okay, okay?
Okay, we're actually going on an errand, but since we saw people, so let's just find out if it's safe for us to go.
No problem. Yeah, okay, yeah.
Right, no problem.
Beautiful
Thank
girl.
you.
Thank you.
Oh! Gods of our land, see what a maiden has put me into. Oh! Mwa joka. Ikbirima. Gods of our land, I hope you understand the reason I'm doing this.
But the prince is taking too long. Are you sure he's okay?
You are asking me. I suggested we should follow him, and you refused. If anything should happen to him, you will be the one to answer the king's question.
May the gods forbid that my head should roll on this. I must go and ascertain if he's okay. I'll be right back. Wait for me here.
Come and stay. Don't go.
So, Ego does not love me. Upon how much love she professed to me. Huh? Just to eat on the same plate with me, she couldn't. That maiden, that wicked maiden, almost made me to believe that she loves me. Huh? This girl is wicked. Is wicked. Is wicked.
Hey! My prince! Gods of our land, yo. So, my prince, you are okay? Shh. Hey!
Shh. Oh yeah, give me the sword. I said give me the sword. Hey. On your knees. Knee down.
My prince. Shh. My prince.
Shh. Now, listen and listen carefully. We are going to swear by Ekberima, the gods of our land, to keep this as a secret, or have me behead you right now.
But my prince.
I say swear.
I will swear. I will swear. I swear by the gods of our land that whatsoever I see here, that no other ear will hear it. The day anybody hears this, may the gods of our land strike me dead.
Better.
So, Prince, you are okay? Sorry.
Now,
sorry,
stand up. You see, I'm not wicked. Very soon, you understand the reason I'm doing this. Let's go. Let's go. I said let's go.
Kamchobe fonanya Adetua Kamchobankemo Kamchobe fonanya.
You can go now. Why is his face like this?
He saw my character.
And then, even if it means clearing his mess, he's our prince. You must do that. Let's go, my. And.
People of Unduno, for those that I spanked, I am sorry. Find it in your heart to forgive me. I did it for a reason. For I to find a true love. My father, Igwe Okosisi Nechendu of Unduno, please permit me to introduce to you the woman that I want to marry. The woman that took it all, even in the face of ridicule and condemnation. People of Unduno, here is the woman that took it all, even in the face of ridicule and condemnation. Here is the woman, Masnachi Egenentu, the beautiful maiden that stood by me, even when all the other maidens rejected me. Igwe Okosisi Nechendu, my father, my mother, Lord of Nduno, I am sorry for the pains that I may have caused you. Please, find it your heart to forgive me.
It's okay, my son. But you took your disguise to an extreme. I understand your reasons. Anyway, your decision to do what you did was quite understandable.
Myself, you broke my heart. But nevertheless, I forgive you. My king.
Guards! Go and fetch Prince Omekanaya of Nome to come and join in the celebration with his father here. Let the coronation begin.
You've been vindicated.
onye na-achọ ka ọ nụrụ m maka oche eze nna m ayi alili eligbo m ịfụnanya
The great people of Ndiola Kingdom.
There's a mix of forward. My daughter is supposed to occupy this position. Yes! You are disappointed. No one! Can you bother? Let's go. Let's go. Wait,